Hey everyone, want to improve AI video results in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create better quality AI videos with improved prompts and settings step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Start a new video project using the AI video creation tools. Next, create a clear idea of what you want to generate before writing your prompt. Now write detailed prompts that describe the subject, action, environment, lighting, camera movement, and visual style. I mean, more specific instructions usually help the AI understand your vision better. Next, use high-quality images when creating image-to-video projects. Clear source images can help produce more accurate and realistic animations. Adjust available settings like video length, aspect ratio, and quality to match your project goals. After generating the video, review the result and identify areas that need improvement, such as motion, details, or consistency. Refine your prompt by adding more information or changing unclear descriptions, then generate a new version. Finally, compare different results and choose the version that best fits your creative goal. And that's how to improve AI video results in Luma AI. With better prompts, quality inputs, and smart adjustments, you can create more impressive AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.